Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Truly Smooth Love Mixture generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.36% in Truly most recent 60 minutes. SLP especially has an extremely all-out market cap of $119,740,214 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,129,182, which for the most part is genuinely huge. This for the most part makes commonly Smooth Love Elixir extremely positioning at 244 in the digital money market, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will really Smooth Love Mixture truly be essentially worth in 2023 and in every practical sense, significant way? Is somewhat Smooth Love Mixture an essentially wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is very huge? Will SLP cost outperform its unequaled high, which truly is very critical? These basically are our sort of Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP's future in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2023 in a quite large way. As per the Truly Smooth Love Mixture Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the SLP cost truly is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of genuinely Smooth Love Elixir toward the finish of the very current year ought to for the most part be $0 a by and large huge manner. Besides, SLP can arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $0, or so they basically thought. SLP Value Conjecture April 2023. In April 2023 the cost of kind of Smooth Love Elixir for the most part is gauged to be at around a kind of least worth of $0 a really significant manner. The in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Mixture value worth can by and large arrive at an especially limit of $0, the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, which basically is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture Value Figure May 2023. In May 2023, the kind of greatest cost for in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Elixir could basically stretch around $0, which is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in May 2023 in a real sense is $0, an essentially normal cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation June 2023. With respect to June 2023, certainly Smooth Love Mixture cost in a real sense is figured to in every way that really matters arrive at a practically the least cost of $0, which generally is very critical. The SLP cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0, the in every way that really matters normal expected cost around $0, which truly is very critical. Smooth Love Elixir Value Estimate July 2023. For July 2023 the cost of in every practical sense Smooth Love Mixture basically is most certainly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 and especially least of $0 a sort of large manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Conjecture August 2023. The especially normal cost of Smooth Love Elixir could explicitly go to $0 the finish of August 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. SLP could sort of exchange around a sort of most extreme worth of $0, the in every way that really matters least expected cost of $0, which is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation September 2023. Certainly Smooth Love Elixir cost in a real sense is supposed to generally reach between $0 September 2023, while the kind of typical cost of SLP for the September explicitly remains around $0 value. Gauge October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of extremely Smooth Love Mixture especially is estimated to be at around in every practical sense least worth of $0, which truly is very huge. The fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir value worth can for the most part arrive at a genuinely limit of $0, the very normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unpretentious way. Smooth Love Elixir Value Estimate November 2023. For November 2023 the cost of Smooth Love Mixture essentially is especially anticipated to especially arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 a kind of least of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Gauge December 2023. The Smooth Love Mixture cost for December 2023 may especially arrive at any rate worth of $0, the in every practical sense most extreme determined cost is around $0 in unobtrusive manner. The exceptionally normal cost for SLP is for the most part anticipated to explicitly reach $0 December 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Smooth Love Mixture Past Value Examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been especially diminished by 3.69% in its genuinely current worth in an exceptionally large manner. Assuming we certainly think about the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday. you can really see that the market cap is likewise down, which especially is genuinely critical. For most recent 7 days, the SLP especially was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.1%, which basically is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture especially has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute. Or so they in a real sense thought. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 17.971%, dispensing with an astounding essentially normal amount of $0 its certainly current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be in every practical sense great basically purchase a potential open door for truly speedy venture, which truly demonstrates the way that the smooth love mixture value worth can especially arrive at in every way that really matters. Limit of $0, the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in a very enormous way. The 90 days cost change generally is around 23.56%, and the cost flowed from a base most certainly normal cost of $0 really greatest essentially normal cost of $0 the kind of beyond 90 day, which sort of is genuinely critical. In essentially most recent 4 months kind of smooth love elixir fundamentally has shown a developing pattern, or so they essentially thought. Consequently, we in a real sense imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of really smooth love elixir sort of is expanded from 4 months, which explicitly is very critical. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, exhibiting the way that smooth love elixir value figure May 2023. In May 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for truly smooth love mixture could in every practical sense stretch around $0. The coin is up by 9.52% with the kind of greatest sort of normal cost of the coin truly was around $0. The kind of least normal cost of for the most part was around $0 every way that really matters. Recent month, showing how exceptionally smooth love elixir value conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the kind of greatest cost for extremely smooth love mixture could truly stretch around $0, which essentially is very critical. What will all things considered be in every way that really matters? Smooth love mixture fundamentally worth in 2023 in a very large manner. The SLP cost fundamentally is guanched to basically arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0 sort of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Does especially smooth love mixture in a real sense have a future in an all things considered enormous way? As far as cost, genuinely smooth love mixture by and large has an extraordinary especially potential to arrive at new levels, exhibiting that the coin essentially is up by 9.52% with the truly greatest typical cost of the coin especially was around $0 the genuinely least in every practical sense. Normal cost of generally was around $0 truly beyond 4 months, showing how kind of smooth love elixir value gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for fundamentally smooth love elixir could truly stretch around $0 in unobtrusive manner. It in a real sense is gauged that SLP will increment in esteem